Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming again to do another video for you guys. This video will base on two-step problem. The two-step problem is going to base where the children get one equation and another equation, and then when they get the equation, they need to find if it's true or false. If it's true, the answers will be the same. If it's false, the answers will be different. So get your markers ready, get your whiteboard ready, get your crayons ready, and let's get going to know how to do two-step problems. The children did the assessment already. However, there were quite a few of them that were not able to do two-step problems. So I'm encouraging you to practice two-step problems so like that they can get to know how to do two-step problem. As you watch the video, if I'm going too fast, you could pause it. So like that, you could know how to do two-step problem. The children are still learning the same materials, even though they passed it already. Today, I saw one student in my class, she was doing two-step problem on Success Maker. So they do learn how to, the lesson continues. So therefore, if your child does not know how to do two-step problem, maybe they haven't figured out how to do tens and ones, I encourage you to watch a previous video so like that your child will be good at doing tens and ones, and then they'll be able to do two-step problem. So, okay, so we're going to get ready to do two-step problems. So get your stuff ready. I'll wait for you. I'll give you a couple minutes. All right, so we are going to do two-step problem. So I'm going to do it on my whiteboard for you so you could follow along. So the first one is 12 plus 74 equals to 10 plus 76. So what they're asking them is, this is step one, this is step one, this is step two. So they're asking them is 12 plus 74 is equal to what? So 12 plus 74 is equal to what? So I'm going to do it this way. So 1 plus 7 is 8, and 2 plus 4 is 6. That's 86, right? And then step 2, say 10 plus 76 is equal to what? So here we go again. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 0 plus 6 is 6. The answer is 86. All right. So I'm gonna do it a different way for you. Again, where your child is able to know or is able to do it the way you do, the way I showed you before. So I'm going to erase what I just did. Excuse me, trying to erase. Did. Okay, so I thought I would have an eraser. So I'm doing it the hard way. So, but it's all good. All right. So we're going to do step one again, but this time I'm going to show it to you the way I showed you using tens and ones. So because this whiteboard doesn't have an eraser, so I'm going to show you how to do it using tens and ones. So here goes 10, oops, excuse me. 10, 11, 12, plus 74, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So what's the answer? 10. Let me make it different color so you get to see. I'm going to make it different color so you get to see what I'm crossing off. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So it doesn't matter which way I did it. So I did it just doing the tens and the ones for you. So you get to see how your child's supposed to do it if they're comfortable with doing tens and ones. And if they're not comfortable doing tens and ones, then you get to do it a different way, whatever way you show them, so they get to understand it. So I'm gonna erase this side, the other side, to show you how to erase, how to do it a different way. Okay, so there we go. So I was hoping this. Okay, so give me 1 second. Zoom used to have an eraser, so I guess technology changed, and I have to do it the hard way. All right, so I want to show you another way. So that's 2 ways I just showed you how to do step 1. So let's go back. I'm going to show you how to do 10 plus 76. That's a different way. 76 plus 10. So here we go. 6 plus 0 is 6, and 1 plus 7 is 7. Oh, excuse me, 1 plus 7 is 8. So it's still the same answer. I just showed you 3 ways. I showed you the first way. I showed you the tens. I showed you the tens way, which is right here. And I'll show you the 3rd grade way, which they're not encouraging the children to do. This is a 3rd grade way. So which I do notice some of the students are doing. So if they know how to do it, so you could go ahead. So let's do another one. So we're going to do another one. So let's do another one where we're going to do another one, okay? So the other one is going to say 23 plus 19 equals 22 plus 18. So what it's asking the kids, is 23 is step 1. 23 plus 19 is y. Is it equal to 22 plus 18? So step 1, 23 plus 19 is what? That's 12, and that is 42. And step 2 is 22 plus 18 is what? 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So the equation will be false. The equation will be false because the answers are not the same. All right? So let's do another one. So you could do this with any equation. Remember, the equation does not need to be true. It does not need to be true all the time. They just want them to get used to doing 2-step problems. So here's another one. So the other one says, excuse me, let me get the pen. It says 25, oh, I like this one better. I like this pen better. 25 plus 25 equals 20 plus 30. So step 1, if you say step 1 is 25 plus 25, great. So 25 plus 25, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If your child say 25 plus 25, and you count it with your child, that will be 10, 20, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay? And then if your child already know how to do regrouping, so he should be able to circle all that and bring it here so it's easier to count. So that was step 1. Step 2 says, what is 20 plus 30 equals to 1? Again, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, that's equal 50. Is the equation true? Absolutely yes. So they would know when they pick the quiz, they will know the answer is true. Okay? So it's, or if your child doesn't understand the concept of counting tens and ones, please go back and review tens and ones, so like that your child will be able to understand how to do the counting. So let's do another one. This time we're gonna do a subtraction one. So subtraction one is going to say, the subtraction one is going to say 56 minus 8 equals to 57 minus 7. Same thing again, it's asking the children to find out what is step 1 telling them to do and what is step 2 telling them to do. Step 1 is saying, if I have 56, I need to give away 8. So this is the 3rd grade way. So if you are showing your child how to do this, you need to teach them how to carry over. Always starts on the right side. Right side, 6, can you give me 8? If you have 6 fingers, can you give me 8? So no, I don't have enough. So I go to my next door neighbor, borrow a 1. So the 5 becomes a 4. And the 1 that I borrow, I put it next to the 6, that becomes 16. So 16 take away 8 is 8, and 4 take away nothing is 4. And also, now that would be step 2. Step 2 says 57, and I know I say minus, sometimes they give it to them like that too. So let's do it like that. 57 plus 7. Yes, they do it like that. So it's okay. I know I made a mistake. It's okay, because 7 plus 7 is 14, plus carry over 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So yes, they do give it to them like that, where they ask them to give a subtraction and a multiplication and an addition. Yes. So I guess there was a good reason why I made the mistake. But but I'm gonna do it again where we do both of them subtraction. Okay. So let's go and do 56 minus 8 equals 57 minus 7. So I'm using the same equation, just in subtraction. So you could see how it's the same and nothing different. So step 1, 56 minus 7, minus 8. Again, equation, okay? So we did the first step already. So I just did it like that. So it's 48. And then step 2 is 57 minus 7. 7 take away 7, 0. 5 take away nothing is 5. So is the equation true or false? Okay. So now that I showed you the addition, now that I show you how to do the addition, now that I show you how to do the subtraction, you should be able to help your child understand. You could put any number together and your child should be able to boom, 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 and say, oh, it's wrong. Remember, it's not looking for the right answer all the time. It's just teaching them how to do problem 1, problem 2, see if they match. If they don't match, it's okay. If they match, it's okay. So again, it's reinforcing addition. It's reinforcing to do addition and subtraction. So if your child didn't understand that, watch the video again And then if your child doesn't know how to do tens and ones, go back and watch the previous videos. And then so like that, you have a better understanding of what to do. All right, so if you're watching the video for the school, so remember to let Mr. Garcia know so he could give you a ticket for up for a prize. But if you're watching on my YouTube, please comment on how the video is helpful or not. Okay, so this is Miss Jerome-Severe. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.